Are you ready for some exciting news if you're a Samsung Galaxy user? Samsung has just announced that one of its most powerful customization tools, Good Lock, will soon be available worldwide. For almost a decade, Good Lock has been a hidden gem, accessible only in select countries, leaving many users without access to its amazing features. But now, with the release of One UI 7, that's all changing. Samsung is finally making Good Lock available to everyone, no matter where you are. If you're someone who loves personalizing their phone, this update is something you definitely don't want to miss. So what exactly is Good Lock and why is it such a game changer? While most phones allow for basic customization like changing wallpapers or themes, Good Lock takes personalization to the next level. With this app, you can modify almost every part of your device's interface, allowing you to make your phone feel like it was designed just for you. It's not just about tweaking a few settings. It's about giving you full control over the way your phone looks and feels. One of the standout features of Good Lock is the ability to create a custom color palette. Samsung already offers some color options, but with Good Lock, you can fine-tune individual colors, adjust saturation levels, and transform the overall appearance of your phone. Whether you're someone who loves bold, vibrant colors or you prefer a more subtle, minimalist aesthetic, Good Lock allows you to customize your device in a way that's completely unique to your style. Good Lock also offers deeper customization for the keyboard, allowing you to change its style, effects, and even the sounds it makes while typing. If you're looking to completely refresh the way you interact with your phone, you can experiment with different keyboard layouts, add fun effects for every key press, and really make your phone stand out. It may seem like a small change, but it has a big impact on your overall phone experience. The navigation bar is another area where Good Lock shines. Samsung's default navigation buttons can sometimes feel limiting, but Good Lock gives you the freedom to customize them however you like. You can add extra buttons, adjust their size and shape, tweak their transparency, and rearrange them to fit your preferences. If you've ever wished for more control over your phone's navigation, this is a feature you'll absolutely love. Notifications are another area where Good Lock gives you more control. Instead of the standard notification pop-ups, you can add fun effects to make notifications stand out. Whether you want a subtle glow or an eye-catching animation, Good Lock allows you to tweak the notification style to fit your personal taste. It's a small touch that adds personality to your phone and makes using it even more enjoyable. For years, Good Lock was only available to users in certain countries, including the United States, Canada, India, Germany, and a few others. Many users outside these regions had to rely on workarounds or third-party apps to access Good Lock, but that will no longer be the case. With One UI 7, Good Lock will be available globally, and you'll be able to download it directly from the Play Store, no matter where you are. This is a big step forward for Samsung and gives Galaxy users a significant edge over iPhone users when it comes to customization. While Apple has only recently started allowing users to change some elements of the lock screen and a few minor tweaks, Good Lock offers a much more comprehensive level of customization that iPhone users can only dream of. The big question now is, when will Good Lock be available to everyone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest Samsung news. Spending hundreds of dollars on the latest iPhone, expecting a cutting-edge experience, only to find out that its biggest feature is not even ready, sounds frustrating, right? That is exactly what is happening with the iPhone 16. Apple introduced its grand vision for artificial intelligence with Apple Intelligence, promising to change the way users interact with their devices. But there is a catch. It is not available yet. And based on the latest statement from Apple Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook, it looks like the wait will be even longer than expected. The major highlight of Apple Intelligence is the smarter version of Siri. Apple has been working on making Siri more intuitive, allowing it to handle tasks across different apps seamlessly. Instead of just responding to queries, this new version of Siri is designed to take full control of the device, helping users with their daily tasks in a natural and efficient way. However, the issue is that it is still not here. During a recent announcement, Tim Cook stated that the improved Siri will be available in the next several months. Initially, Apple Intelligence was supposed to launch alongside iOS 18.4 in April, but now it is clear that things are getting delayed. Some reports from Apple insiders even suggest that Apple Intelligence may not be fully ready until 2026, which is a major setback for those who expected to experience these artificial intelligence features right away. This delay is a big disappointment, especially for users who bought the iPhone 16 with the expectation of enjoying artificial intelligence-powered capabilities from day one. The device was heavily marketed around two key upgrades: the advanced artificial intelligence features and the new camera control button. Now, with one of its biggest selling points being postponed indefinitely, many users are left wondering whether upgrading to the iPhone 16 was the right decision. To make things worse, Apple Intelligence will not be available in all regions, and users in the European Union will have even more restrictions due to regulatory policies. This situation brings up an important question. Is it better to upgrade now, or should users wait for the iPhone 17? If Apple Intelligence will not be fully functional until 2026, then iPhone 16 users will only get a limited version of these features, while future models will likely have the complete experience. This delay might make the iPhone 16 feel more like a test version rather than a significant upgrade, which could impact its appeal among consumers. Despite these setbacks, Apple Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook remains optimistic about Apple Intelligence. During the company's earnings call, he described the upcoming artificial intelligence tools as features that users cannot live without once they have tried them. This statement sets high expectations but also raises concerns. If Apple Intelligence ends up being just another minor software improvement rather than a game-changing feature, users may feel disappointed. Apple has built a reputation for delivering polished and innovative products, so any failure to meet expectations could harm its credibility in the artificial intelligence space. Meanwhile, Apple is not the only company trying to dominate artificial intelligence in smartphones. Samsung also focused heavily on artificial intelligence when introducing the Galaxy S25 series during its Galaxy Unpacked event. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Did you purchase the iPhone 16 with high hopes for Apple Intelligence to transform your smartphone experience? If so, you may be feeling somewhat underwhelmed. Despite all the hype and promises, the advanced artificial intelligence features that were touted as one of the device's biggest selling points are nowhere near ready, and according to recent updates, they may not arrive as soon as expected. Apple CEO Tim Cook recently confirmed that the much-anticipated updates to Siri, one of the core components of Apple Intelligence, won't be available for a few more months. This announcement has left many iPhone 16 users frustrated, especially those who were expecting the new AI features to be a highlight right out of the box. At the moment, Apple Intelligence mainly offers basic functionalities like writing assistance, emoji generation, and notification summaries. While these features are useful, they're far from the revolutionary AI experience that Apple promised. One of the biggest letdowns is the delay of the new and improved Siri, which was supposed to launch alongside iOS 18.4. But now it seems the feature won't be available until as late as 2026. For many iPhone 16 buyers, this means waiting years to experience the AI tools that were one of the phone's key selling points. It raises the question, was the iPhone 16 really worth purchasing, given that so many of its flagship features are missing? Adding to the frustration is the fact that Apple Intelligence isn't even available everywhere. Users in the European Union, for instance, are receiving a different version of the iPhone 16 due to local regulations. This means that even when the AI features are finally released, users won't all have access to the same experience. It's a major issue for customers who are hoping for a consistent product, regardless of where they live. Despite these setbacks, Tim Cook remains confident in Apple Intelligence, calling the forthcoming AI tools life-changing. But is that really the case? At the moment, AI isn't considered a must-have feature for most consumers, and Apple will need to do a lot more to prove its value. For now, AI in smartphones is mostly limited to small conveniences, like generating text or enhancing camera shots. If Apple is serious about revolutionizing the smartphone experience, it will need to offer something that goes beyond these basic improvements. Meanwhile, Apple faces fierce competition from companies like Samsung. The recently released Galaxy S25 series highlights AI as a major feature, but Samsung's AI tools feel like little more than slight improvements over what's already available. If Apple is truly delaying its AI features to perfect them, it will need to offer something far more impressive than what competitors are providing. The smartphone industry is clearly shifting towards AI, but the technology is still in its infancy. Right now, it's mostly being used for minor enhancements rather than groundbreaking innovations. If Apple wants to make a lasting impact, it will need to go beyond the basics and offer AI tools that actually change how we use our phones. The promise of an upgraded Siri that can interact with apps and perform tasks within them was a major selling point of the iPhone 16. But with further delays, it's unclear when or if this will ever come to fruition. So, what does this all mean for iPhone 16 users? If you bought the phone for its AI capabilities, you're probably feeling frustrated by the delays. Share your thoughts in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more updates.